I'd like to do a review of this Whirlpool water softener that I installed several years ago in my house, and I've had excellent results. You can see that the chamber holds the salt in this fashion here. I can add it as I need it. The controls that are on the screen show all the ways that you can change the settings when you initially install it and any changes you want to make afterwards. Now, if we back up here, we can look at the whole unit that I installed here, and you'll see that I used shark bite attachments to the copper pipe that was installed in the home. This is my inlet of the water. This is my outlet of the softened water. This is the waste line that is required for this unit. And then down below here, you see an overflow line, which is simply a safety feature that I have running to my drain by my hot water tank. Now, if we back up here, you can see, let's talk a little bit about water softeners in general. This series of water softeners from Whirlpool come in various sizes, and it's typically a function of the hardness of the water that you have. Now, we all know that there's two sources of water. Either you have a commercial supply, or you call it city water, or you have well water. You can use this water softener for both, but you will then have to know the hardness of the water so that you can then set the features and the function on this water softener. So that's important. Now let's back up a little bit again, and we're going to talk about the salt. There are many different suppliers and types of salt. I use this very general salt from Morton, but you can get all kinds of salt based on your specific needs. I highly recommend this assembly, this water softener, and I think that everyone would enjoy using this. I installed it myself. As we mentioned before, you could see the different features here. It was very straightforward. You follow the instructions.